Hi, I'm Kim Goyette. I'm so glad you're joining me here for Yoga with Meditation Mutha. When our nervous system is on high alert, our bodies can feel tension, our mind can feel stress. And so today's practice is all about regulating our nervous system through breath so that we can come back to that rest and digest phase. So let's get started.
Yoga for everybody with Meditation Mutha.
So we're going to start in any comfortable seat, or you can come to laying down or in a chair. Gently close the eyes and just tune in to how your body feels in this moment, where your mind is at. Noticing if you're feeling any tension in the body or the mind. We're just going to start to focus on our breath, doing a simple breath through the nose if possible. Allowing the breath to lengthen on an inhale through the nose. Lengthen on an exhale through the nose. And when we breathe through the nose, it turns on our parasympathetic nervous system so that we can get in that rest and digest phase. So just lengthening that inhale, noticing the rise of the chest, and on an exhale, the fall of the chest. And we're just going to do a simple breath where we extend the exhale longer than the inhale. So when we do that, again, it turns on the parasympathetic nervous system, allows our body and mind to relax and to regulate. So just doing a nice gentle inhale through the nose, and then on an exhale, just really lengthen it out all the way to the bottom of your breath. Noticing your belly depleting. Inhale, just a regular, nice inhale. And then exhale through the nose, riding that exhale all the way to the bottom of the breath until the belly is totally empty. Good. Let's continue that a few more breaths. Just noticing the sound of the exhale as you take it all the way to the bottom of the breath. Relaxing the shoulders away from the ears. Continue to breathe. Soften your jaw. Relax the muscles of your face. Lengthening that exhale. Feeling fully grounded and supported by the earth below you. Continue to buy a natural inhale with a longer exhale. I'll take just a few more breaths like this. Noticing on the exhale as your body sinks more towards the earth, feeling very grounded and supported. inhale. Big exhale out the mouth. Just come back to your natural breathing cycle. And notice within that short period of time, as we focus on the exhale, how your body might feel a little different. Maybe your mind feels a little different. Bringing the hands to heart center, we'll bow the mind to the heart. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me here today in this short relaxation practice to get your nervous system back to center. I hope that you enjoy your day, and if you want to be the first to receive weekly videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel at Yoga with Meditation Mutha. And if you want to learn about yoga retreats happening all around the world, please check out my website at www.meditationmutha.com. Thanks so much. See you next time.